You already know that you need an AWS free tier account for this course. But did you realize that Amazon Machine Learning is not free? So how much does it really cost to build a crime-fighting, predictive policing machine learning algorithm like SAM? It's not that expensive. And I will show you how much it costs to develop SAM and to keep SAM running on a more permanent basis. I even have a few cost-saving techniques that I will share with you. So let's get started. While AWS S3 and Lambda both fall under the free tier account, Amazon Machine Learning does not. This module is important because it explains to you the costs to developing SAM and then optionally running SAM on a long-term basis if you so choose. I did briefly mention in the previous module the $20 cost of the Amazon IoT button. But that cost is optional, as it is tied to the optional bonus module on the Internet of Things. When it comes to the core of what this course is about, machine learning, what are the required costs? The bulk of the AWS services we use fall under either the 12-month free tier or the monthly free usage options. However, Amazon Machine Learning does not meet the free tier or monthly free usage qualifications. Although AWS Machine Learning is not free, you pay only for what you use. There is an hourly rate for the compute time used to build your predictive model. This is a one-time fee charged during the development process. There is also another charge every time you generate a prediction using your model. This is a per-use charge. There is also another charge when you expose the model via a real-time endpoint. Amazon calls this an hourly reserved capacity charge based on the amount of memory required for your model. I know this sounds like a lot of charges, but when you look at the final development numbers for SAM, it is really inexpensive. When we talk about the compute time cost for SAM, you're looking at a fee of about $1.16. This includes the one-time model generation fee and the fee for enabling the API endpoint and testing predictions against the model. Now, after the course, if you want to leave your version of SAM up and running in your account, you will have to pay the fee for enabling your API endpoint and another fee every time a prediction is run against the model. This fee varies based on usage and accumulates on a monthly basis. My most expensive monthly cost for running SAM every 30 minutes was $11.52. This is a cost that you will not incur during the development and creation of SAM, and is only if you plan to leave SAM up and running after the course is over. Now, one cost-saving trick is not to leave the real-time endpoint enabled if you don't plan on using it. Another idea that I've been toying with is to programmatically spin up the real-time API endpoint in order to generate a prediction, and then disabling it immediately after receiving the prediction. This essentially eliminates the reserved capacity charge. Of course, this has to be tested to see how quickly the API endpoint can be created, because I don't want to add too much to the overall performance and prediction response time. But from what I've seen, this could be a viable solution. AWS Lambda falls under the 12-month free tier account. I've never paid for running SAM's AWS Lambda, even after the expiration of the 12-month free tier. The Lambda free tier includes 1 million free requests per month and 400,000 gigabyte seconds of compute time per month. The Lambda free tier does not automatically expire, and you still receive 1 million free requests per month, and then a 20-cent charge per 1 million requests after that. AWS Lambda counts a request each time it starts executing in response to an event, including test invokes from the AWS Lambda console. You are charged for the total number of requests across all of your functions. AWS S3 falls under the free tier. After the free tier, you may incur additional charges for reading and writing from and to AWS S3 from other services. For example, we use Amazon S3 to store our initial training data set for SAM. There are also storage costs associated with S3. With the free tier, you get 5 gigabytes of Amazon S3 storage, 20,000 GET requests, 2,000 put requests, and 15 gigabytes of data transfer out each month for 1 year. Now, after the free tier expires, you are then charged per 1,000 GET put requests. SAM has never exceeded that, so I've never paid anything for using AWS S3. Now that you've been introduced to the course and the amazing crime-fighting machine learning program SAM, let's talk about what's up next. In the next unit, you will learn about what machine learning is. You will learn about what it is not. And you will learn more about how it is used. I do recommend doing the exercise associated with this module before moving on. This exercise helps you with creating your AWS free tier account.